you're shivering. I'm so sorry, Daddy. I had to rush back immediately. You told me you were sick. I'm so sorry. How are you feeling now?
I guess I'm fine now.
You're fine now? Okay. Just say you were missing me. That's why you felt sick.
Why wouldn't I feel sick when you abandoned me for 2 weeks? 2 weeks! Ah.
Daddy, you know final clearance takes time.
Am I not important enough? You had to abandon me for a whole 2 weeks.
Daddy, stop. Don't talk like that now, please. Okay, I am here now. Okay, I'm here to take care of you. I'm not going anywhere. Okay, they need to commence treatment on you ASAP.
Are you sure?
I'm here.
You're not leaving me again?
No.
You're here now.
Of course I'm here. Oh my goodness, Daddy! Daddy, you tricked me! Look at you! Daddy! You're so deceitful. Why did you do that?
You abandoned me for 2 weeks, so I have to find a way to bring you back.
You're so deceitful, Dad. I almost fell for that. Daddy, okay. So, how are you, Daddy?
It's okay.
Yeah.
It's okay. Let me rest my ass. Oh, sorry, that's a bad language. So, well, now that you are back, the next step is for you to start your masters in the UK.
Daddy. You've been singing this all year. How you want to, go with me to the UK for my masters. Daddy, you know you don't have to.
Why? I have to. It's for your own good. Huh? Look, I'll be there to take care of you. You know what I mean? But my only problem is this your insistence on studying human resources management.
Yes, Daddy. How about that?
Oh, come on. That is a course you can read online. Okay? I want you to read business administration.
Daddy, it's high time you loosened up your grip on me. I am not a child anymore. Allow me to make my own decisions. Stop imposing your decisions on me.
Sweetheart, you are my only child. It is my responsibility to ensure that you make the right decisions in life. Okay? So trust me.
And that includes you following me to the UK for my masters.
Listen, I've been looking for the slightest opportunity to go to the UK myself. Now you've just given me that opportunity, so that makes 2 of us.
Look at you. Just say you can't live without me.
Once again, you are right.
I miss you so much.
I miss you, my darling. So what did you bring for Daddy?
Daddy, let's go eat. I'm so hungry.
Oh,
let's go out.
I'm famished myself.
Okay. Yeah, come in. The door is open. Come in. Oh my goodness! Okay! Oh my god!
My G! It's you.
You still remember that?
Yeah, I remember that. I miss you. Still remember that shit, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
Looking good, looking good, looking good.
Come on, sit down.
Oh, thank you.
I miss you.
I miss you more. So come on, baby girl, I miss you. I miss you so much.
So tell me, how was your stay in the UK?
Oh, great. I mean, I had a lot of time with my... Sir!
How are you?
I'm doing great, sir. I'm doing great, sir.
Well, I can feel that both of you are getting along.
Yeah, my old
Right?
pal.
Please sit.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Elsa,
Daddy.
this is a good boy. You know, while you were away, each time he came to the country, he ensured that he asked after me. He's a nice boy.
Hey.
Yes! I guess at this point, I have to leave you alone to do your thing, okay?
All right. Daddy.
Wow.
And what was that about?
Oh, my dad. You know, for some years now, our both parents have been trying to matchmake us. I kept telling my dad that it is not going to work. I mean, you and I are cool friends. You're like my G. I don't even see myself being intimately attached to you. That cracks me up, sorry. My goodness.
Oh, we can be more than friends, you know.
Don't. Please. Don't even go there.
Elsa. Elsa. You know I like you. You know I like you so much.
Maris, please. Don't even try to ruin this moment. I mean, what are you talking about?
Elsa, but you know this can work. I mean, you just have to open up to us. Okay, look. You just have to give us a chance. Please.
Maris, there is someone else.
All right. It's okay. So, how was your trip back?
It was great. And by the way, what should I offer you? Alcohol. I know you love alcohol. Just relax. I'm gonna get you wine, okay? I know you love alcohol.
Water.
Coming from you, Story. Let me get you a wine.
Oh, please.
Just relax.
All
I have
right.
a lot to talk about. Hi, Daddy.
Hi, sweetheart.
How are you?
I'm good. So, what's up? No, I mean with Maris.
Oh, I just saw him off now.
Mm.
And Daddy, by the way, what's up with that eye wink and thumbs up thing you did?
Oh.
That wasn't subtle at all.
No, I never meant it to be subtle. Yes. I mean, both of you liked yourselves right from when you were children.
Okay. Yes. We like ourselves.
Okay.
But not in that manner. I don't like him in that manner. Daddy, I've told you this countless times.
Sweetheart, Maris is a fine young man. I mean, he's very kind and he's been there for you. Okay?
Oh. Okay, you know what? Maybe you should date him. Yes, date him. And you have my full consent, Daddy. You do.
Are you serious right now?
Of course, I'm serious right now.
Look, sweetheart. I I suggest you give that young man enough attention right now. Hmm?
Attention.
Mm-hmm.
Attention.
Yeah.
You know, if there is anyone who needs attention,
Mm-hmm.
that person should be you.
Huh?
Yes.
Please leave me alone. Hmm? Go and look for your husband and marry. I can't marry my own daughter.
I know, but you know you're all I have.
And you are all I have too. Okay? Since your mother passed on, it's been you and I alone against the world. Okay? So, that my love for you transcends eternity.
And my love for you transcends eternity, Daddy.
I know.
You know, you have devoted so much time, attention, love, energy in guiding me and raising me.
That I know too.
So, Daddy, don't you think it's high time you remarried?
Remarried, Kay? Come on. My daughter. You think I don't shake my waist sometimes?
Okay, so much information.
But talking about remarrying, I don't think I have time for that now. Perhaps I may in the future. There is something I have decided to do.
Okay.
The situation of the country now is getting worse by the day. Insecurity. So I decided that I'm going to get a driver for you and a police escort so that wherever you're going, I'll be sure that my daughter is safe.
Yes, Daddy. Speaking of that, Dad, I've been meaning to talk to you about it.
Oh, really?
Yes.
That makes two of us.
Yes. So, instead of wasting money on security escort and, driver and stuff like that, I have someone who can do the both diligently. Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, he is so good. So good.
It's alright. In that case, I need to see him ASAP.
Sure. I would let him know.
You are the daughter of a billionaire.
I know.
So you have to live like one. Okay?
I know.
Father loves me, I love him too. He provides for me. I mean everything I want to. Anything I need to. He protects me and he guides me. He never wants any harm to come to me. This is sweet, my brother. Somebody tell me what more can I ask for? Hey, it's a mixture of mama and papa all in one. He's making me to feel the vibes of a super daddy. His love for me is upgraded, and that's why I keep on saying you are my one in a million. Someone I hold in high esteem. My love for you no bound, and I'll keep on loving you. You are my one in a million. Someone I hold in high esteem. Someone I'll never let go. I feel like no other. Whoa, yeah. Father loves me, I love him too. He provides for me. I mean everything I want to. Anything I need, oh, he protects me and he guides me. He never wanted anyone to come to me. He's a super dad. Somebody tell me what more can I ask for? Hey, it's a mixture of it's making
You,
me feel deep. He's a super dad.
How is it?
Have you tested it?
I know.
Okay, you want me to?
That is so what's up. That is so what's
Nice and okay.
my love for you, no bound. And
This thing is hot. This thing is hot.
You are my one in a million. Someone I hold in high esteem. Daddy like no other. And that's why I keep on saying, you are my one in a million.
If not that I guided you on how to prepare this meal. Anyway, test it first. Okay, try this. Try this.
Nice.
This one is more delicious, right?
Daddy.
You know why?
No.
Because it's from Daddy's hands with love.
I love you too, Daddy.
But I know you are a greedy daughter.
Daddy,
I've given you from my own now. You didn't give me from your own. No.
You know I don't like cooking. I think we should just keep on doing the fast food thing.
No.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Good day, ma'am.
Yes.
I'm here for the job interview I saw outside.
Oh, it's you. Okay, come in. Sit.
Thank you.
You can sit.
Thank you. That is for me, madam. Bosnet.
You have to focus, okay?
Let's stay official.
Yes. The goal is to win my dad over.
So how do I win him over? By pretending to be your driver? Okay.
Relax. It's gonna work out, okay?
Good day, sir.
Good day, young man. Sweetheart, how are you?
Hey, Dad. Fine. So, this is the young man I told you about.
Okay. Young man, how are you?
Fine, sir.
So, have you conducted the interview?
Yes, of course. He did very well.
Oh.
Yes.
Well, in that case, he has to start immediately.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir.
Young man, make sure you take care of my daughter, okay? She's the only one I've got.
All right, sir.
Good. Well, you have to give him the necessary orientation, okay?
Yes, I will. So, you heard what my father said?
Yes, ma'am.
And, you can kiss me.
Okay.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi.
I'm fine. Hey.
I have been waiting all day for you.
Oh, I stepped out.
And who is he?
Oh,
He's
this is our driver.
Oh, that's great. And you are? Joe. Hi. Nice to meet you. Hi, honey. I'm sorry, okay. I was leaving when you guys stepped in. I would have stayed for a little catch up with your driver.
it's fine. It's okay.
Alright? I'll frequent.
All right.
You take care of yourself and take care of your daddy, okay?
Sure.
Okay.
Hey, come on. Won't you see him off?
Not to worry, sir. I'll see you soon.
Let's go in.
Okay. After you. Okay, I will let you know when it's ready. Alright. I really don't know about that. Yeah, sure. Okay, give me a few minutes. I'll call you back, okay? Alright. Babe.
Why did you allow that guy to touch you like that?
Oh, Maris. He has been my friend right from when we were little.
That doesn't give him the right to touch you like that.
Baby, it was just a peck. Okay. Okay. I'm sorry. It won't happen again. I'm sorry. Trust me, it's not gonna happen again. Don't you trust me? I said I am sorry.
Okay, I trust you. It's okay. What's up? Why? It's like you guys don't have maid here.
We used to, but basically they just come and go. The cleaner comes 2 times in a week. The cook comes 3 times, cook and then go. Well, my dad takes care of the rest of the chores.
It won't be easy living here without a maid, you know?
Yeah. Okay, the thing is, when I was little, after the death of my mom, we used to have this maid, this young lady that stayed with us. At some point, she started maltreating me so much that my dad found out and he got really heartbroken and devastated. Sent her packing, locked her up. So after that, we just decided to, manage ourselves, live within ourselves.
That's good news. Well, houses like this normally have maids. But living without a maid means you'll be doing almost everything yourself. But in the other way around is good because you're grooming yourself to be a wife material.
Right. But my dad does basically everything. Meanwhile,
Starting.
Hey, Daddy. What's wrong with your car?
Yeah, I don't know. It just refused to start.
Did you try calling a mechanic?
Well,
Start it again, sir. Let me see what I can do.
oh, you know about cars?
Yes, I know about cars.
Okay.
Start it again, sir.
It is not starting.
Daddy, how about you use my car? I don't think I'll be going out anytime soon.
Ah.
Yeah.
No. I've seen the fault, sir. Start it again.
Wow. Splendid. Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
So, how did you do it?
The battery head was not sitting properly on the battery.
Oh, thank you. So, which means my daughter is in safe hands. You can take off her and her car.
By His grace.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you so much. So, please leave the car so that I can go out. Sweetheart, let me run along, okay?
Bye. How did you do that?
I know about cars.
Oh, you see, my dad is so proud of you, and I am equally so proud of you.
Thank you. And we are the only ones at home now.
Go back to your duty post.
My friend, will you use away from this place? Because I work here as a driver now, you don't know your level.
It's okay. It's okay.
Baby. Babe.
Hey! Wonder shall never end. Lover forming driver. Sorry. Careful.
Hi, Daddy!
Finally,
Hi, Daddy! Welcome.
How are you?
Fine. How was work today?
Well, work was fine, just that it's hectic as usual.
I know.
Yeah.
So, I made rice, jollof rice.
Oh, my favorite.
Okay. Yes. So, are you hungry now? Should I dish your food?
Oh, yes. Elsa,
Yes, Dad.
I have not seen Marix for a while. And this is a young man who visits this house very often, even before you came. After you came, he was still coming. But all of a sudden, he stopped. Is there anything I'm not aware of?
I I guess he got the message.
Message? What message?
Daddy, I made it clear to him that I don't love him. I don't. Anyway, I have someone else.
Oh, someone else?
Mm-hmm.
That's all right. I would love to meet the someone else as soon as possible.
Of course. You sure will.
Elsa,
Yes, Daddy.
are you sure you know exactly what you're doing?
Mm-hmm.
You see, men like Marix are very difficult to find. And I feel I should let you know this now.
Father, why do you always think, or rather see marriage to be a saint?
I know. I've not seen him as a saint. You see, both of you have known each other for a very long time, for years. Right? And I feel that coming together would be a good thing.
Exactly. Same reason I can't be with him. I've always seen him as a friend. Father, if you want me to start loving him in that manner you're talking about, that means I will have to start learning how to love and care for him in another context. And I really don't see myself doing that.
I know. But I think it is because you've not opened your heart, for him.
Daddy, please. Please.
It's all right. I'm not going to have this discussion again on this matter. Okay? Let me go and freshen up and come back to eat my favorite meal. All right?
Daddy. You know, if you were my father, I would have opted to be with you, rather. Oh, please, I'm just kidding. Okay, Daddy. Trust me on this.
It's all right. Sweetheart. Know that my love for you transcends life itself.
And my love for you transcends life itself. Ooh. Okay, I'm going to dish your food.
Wow. You look good.
Thank you. So, I have this call.
Elsa! I didn't just say that. Explain what? God! A driver!
Daddy, he's the one I told you about that I am in love with.
Love? Something must be wrong with you upstairs. Something is wrong with you. Over my dead body will that happen?
Daddy, I love him.
You're still repeating it, idiot. Love who? And you? So, both of you connived to deceive me in my house?
I'm sorry.
Will you shut up? Now get out of my house. What? Get out from here, idiot. Elsa. Oh, so both of you deceived me. You planned to plant your boyfriend in my house as a driver. As if that is not enough. You were frolicking under my roof. A driver, Elsa.
Daddy, that he's a driver today doesn't mean he won't make his own money tomorrow.
Oh, that boy, at that age, he has not made money. You are hoping that he will make money tomorrow. Oh, I can see that I wasted my money sending you to school. You can't reason at all. So I worked tirelessly to make all I have made. Eh? So that when I pass on, I will will it to you, then both of you will squander it, is it not?
Daddy, he's not after your money.
You're a fool. That boy is after my money. If you don't know.
Okay, Daddy, please. I think I've had enough at this point. Okay, you can't keep imposing your decisions on me. I'm a grown-up. For once, allow me make my own decision. You can't tell me who to marry, who to be with. I've had enough, please.
Now listen to me, young woman. As long as you live under my roof, you will do what I say.
Well, I won't.
Hey, I'm finished.
What is it?
I'm finished.
What do you mean you're finished? Stop being dramatic. What is it?
He caught us.
Who caught you?
Her father caught us kissing.
Hey!
So our plans don't cast. Eh?
What did they work you? Can't you be professional for once? Just once? We are talking about business and you're talking about love. Who is disputing the fact that but we talked about business? Forget about love. You had only one assignment. One assignment and you went there and you casted everything.
What are you saying? My love life is sinking and you are here talking about business.
I was not love life. Stop telling me that love life. This is business and you're telling me love life. They sent you there just for one thing, just for you to convince this girl, just for you to do one assignment, and you're talking about love. Even when you've messed up, you're here talking about love. Now our plans are you've spoiled everything and you're telling me you love. What did you do? Eh? What is the meaning of this? Just one assignment, you had one assignment. Just go there, eat this girl dry, and you're telling me you love her. You've spoiled everything. This is our surest bet at getting rich. And you've spoiled the whole thing. You're telling me you love her. Who love help? Just look at what you've done. Look at what you've done. Hi! Stop looking at me. Stop looking at me. Fix this, so fix this. Hi! Everything don't cast.
Elsa? Where are you going?
I'm heading out.
Heading out. To see that boy, right?
Father, I am an adult. You should allow me live as one.
Not in my house. You cannot bring that riffraff to my house, not as a friend, not as a fiancé. This is my house, I make the rules and you must abide by them.
Fine. I will leave. I will leave your house for good. But I can't have you always controlling my life. You've been doing this for years now. Please, enough.
Elsa!
He protects me and he guides me. He never wants any harm to come to me. He's a super dada. Somebody tell me, what more can I ask for? Hey, it's a mixture of mama and papa all in one. He's making me to feel the vibes of a super daddy. His love for me is so greater. And that's why I keep on saying, you are my one in a million. Someone I hold in high esteem. My love for you no bound. And I'll keep on loving you. Oh, you are my one in a million. Someone I hold in high esteem. Someone I'll never let go. Daddy like no other. Whoa, yeah.
This door locked. Did you lock the door?
Where are you headed again? You hardly stay at home these days.
Father, please. If you have the keys to this door, open it. I need to head out.
Don't tell me you are going to see that scallywag again.
Father, please. If you have the keys, can you kindly open this door? I need to head out.
You are not seeing that young man.
I don't understand. Father, you can't tell me who to see, what to do, or who to be with. I'm tired of you getting into my business. Stop it! Stop meddling into my business. It's not right.
Really? I can't believe my ears. Elsa! You're talking to me in this manner because of that young man? Huh? Can't you see that he's of bad influence on you?
He isn't. I am talking to you in this manner because of you, Father. You need to stop. If you have the keys to this door, open it. I need to head out.
You are not leaving this house.
Father, wait. Just wait.
Can't you see that that man is wrong for you?
Father, please. Father, please. Can you just give this man a chance? I don't want you to write him off because of one single mistake. Sit down and talk with him. Get to know the kind of person he is. Father, please, this is the man I love. And I know fully well that my happiness matters to you, right? Please. Thank you.
I love you. But for that young man, no.
How are you?
I'm fine. Listen, you need to convince my father of your feelings towards me. Okay?
You heard what your father said. That over his dead body will he allow me to date you.
Forget about that. He has already agreed to talk with you. So you need to talk. Talk to him like a man. Okay? Tell him why you love me. Tell him reasons. Convince him.
Baby, your father is a wealthy man. I don't want to end up in prison.
You want. Be a man and talk.
Good day, sir.
What are you doing here?
I came to talk to you, sir. Yes. Honestly speaking, I'm in love with your daughter. And I mean every word of it. She's a beautiful soul. She has an amazing personality. As a matter of fact, you raised her properly, sir.
Thank you. She was properly raised, yes. But you think I raised her properly for a riffraff like you? I don't want to see you in my house again. Daddy. Don't daddy me! By the way, what do you love about my daughter?
I love everything about her.
Okay.
The way she talks, her eyeballs, her color, even her lips. Yeah. I love everything about her.
Thank you. Now listen, young man. When you were my daughter's driver, our relationship was cordial. I love that. But for you to disguise yourself as a driver and come into my house, it means you don't have good intentions.
Daddy, I convinced him towards doing that.
Really? Nobody can convince anyone to do anything against his or her wish. He has his own mind, or don't you? Ah. Now, you are not going to come to my house again. Okay? And if you don't like it, you might as well live with him. Okay? Daddy. Don't daddy me.
Daddy, when did you start caring about status?
I don't care about status. But for him, yes, I do. And I certainly care about the way you stole yourself into my house because of my daughter like a thief.
Daddy, I love him. And that's all that matters.
Not in my house. If you really need love, then go and beg Maris for forgiveness.
Over my dead body will I do that.
We'll see about that. And you, what are you waiting for? Idiot!
Sorry, sir.
What are you?
Sorry, sir.
Get inside! Get inside. Marix is here. He wants to see you.
I don't want to see him.
Elsa, I went through a great deal of trouble convincing that young man to come. And that is after you charade with that driver. Don't let my efforts go in vain.
Fine. I will see him.
You what? I have told you I feel nothing for you.
You look so pathetic, forcing yourself on a woman who clearly do not like you. Get a life. It demeans you. Stay the hell away from me. I don't love you. Not in that manner. Rubbish. You said I should see him. I just did.
Elsa! Elsa!
Baby. Baby. I'm sorry about what my father did to you.
It's obvious your dad hates me.
No. Don't speak that way. He doesn't. He just needs time to, get to know you.
Listen, babes, don't patronize me. Your dad hates me. Look at the way he treats me. Look at the way he chases me out like a kid.
No, he's usually not like this. Okay?
Are you here, Mr. Joseph?
Yes.
You are under arrest.
What for?
Move into the car. Move.
But what happened? Why?
Young lady, respect yourself. If you want to know what happened, go home and ask your father.
My father? Baby, calm down now. You even opening the door. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'll come and pick you. I'm coming for you, okay? My father. Daddy. Daddy, please. You need to release him. He has been in there for 2 days now without food nor water. He's suffering. Please. I mean, how can you be like this? How?
You're asking me how I can be like this. That is all you have to say under the circumstance. Huh? Look, everything I have done, everything is for your protection.
Protection are you talking about? What exactly are you talking about? The man I love is locked up in there without food, without water. Are you talking about protection? What protection are you talking about, Father? Daddy, please. If you must know, this whole thing is making me go insane. It is depressing me. Release him. I beg you.
Depression. If you think what I am doing to protect you is leading you into depression, make the mistake of choosing the wrong partner, then depression will be your life partner.
Mistakes are meant to be made. Allow me. Let me make my own mistakes and learn from them. Father, you need to release that young man. If not for me, for the sake of his family, please. He needs to go back to his family, please.
Elsa, I don't want to see that man anywhere close to you. So if you want me to release him, promise me that you would never see him again.
Okay. Oh, okay. Yes. I will not see him again.
It's alright. I'll see what I can do.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Dad.
He protects me and he guides me. He never wants any harm to come to me. He's a super dada. Somebody tell me, what more can I ask for? Hey, it's a mixture of mama and papa all in one. It's making me to feel the vibes of a super daddy. His love for me is upgraded, and that's why I keep on saying, you are my one in a million. Someone I hold in high esteem. My love for you, no bad.
Bro, so what's happened? Eh? Sorry. Okay. What happened? Eh? What is wrong with you? Who did this to you? Eh?
My sister did.
They what? No.
What
happened? Eh? Who did this to you?
That man is mean. My sister, they almost killed me.
Is his father?
Yes.
Hey!
I don't know what he gave to the police, but they tortured me. They used all manner of things on me.
Hey!
They used live wire on me.
Chimo!
They used batting on me. They almost drowned me.
No, that man is wicked. They did all this to you because you don't have money. Open Megia. Eh? No.
My sister, I should have avoided that girl.
Yes.
I regret going that close.
Don't. You should have avoided that girl. Eh? I told you just collect the door and go. Iju. Ndo.
Please.
You
need to massage me with hot water.
I will. God will punish that man wherever he is. Ndo. You said hot water. Eh? Ndo, oh, I'll do that right away. Sorry, ma'am. Ndo, I'm coming.
God punish devil. God punish devil. God punish devil. In fact, God punish poverty. You get what?
Hello? 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 Hello, baby, please talk to me. Hello? Baby, please, can you just talk to me, please? Your silence is killing me. Okay, I am sorry. I am deeply sorry about what happened. I am sorry, please. Talk to me. It's been 2 days now since you got back. Can you talk to me, please?
Listen, it's over between us.
No, please. Oh, okay. It can't be over now. Who ends relationship like this? It can't be over, please. We'll go through whatever it is. We'll go through it together, please. Hello? Oh, wait, no, don't cut.
I mean every word of it. It's over between us.
Forget, I know you're at home. I'm coming to meet you up. Please, I'm coming, please. You can't just break up like this now, please. I'm trying my best, please. Hello, Obim, baby, my love. Hello? Hello? Chalu, wait. Who are you? Who are you?
Amara, please. Where is Joe? I need to see him. It's urgent, please.
You know you don't have shame. No, you don't have shame at all. You need to see your boyfriend. Okay, so you came to kill Joe. Yes! It's not good enough that your father almost killed him. Now you want to finish him up, okay?
Please.
You're sorry.
But I need to see him.
You don't have to see him. Joe is not around. Go home. I said Joe is not around. Where are you going to? Joe is not around. Go to your father's house. Joe is not around. Where are you going to?
Oh, then where is he?
This place, does it look like an exam hall to you? Does it look like an exam hall to you? I don't know. Joe is not around. So go home.
Amara, I will have to wait till Joe comes back.
Amara, stop now. What is it now? Wait now. Don't you know what it means for someone to break up with you?
Oh, really? Your boyfriend to break you? Am I the one that broke up with you? The person that broke up with you is not at home. That's why I say you should go.
Do you even know what it means for your boyfriend to break up with you? He said it's over. It can't be over.
Okay, it can't be over. It can't be over. It's you for one name. What do you mean it can't be over? My brother said it's over. That means over. Is it by force? Please, oh. See. Msala, I don't want trouble. Leave this house. My brother is not around. I said leave this house. Leave this house now. Before I'll change it for you.
Amara, I'm not going anywhere. I told you.
You're not going anywhere. Okay. So you're not going anywhere. In our own house. Eh? In our own house. Atalonge. Nonsense. Came here to do what? To do what? This house will not contain us. Joe, better pick. Hello? Joe, how many times did I call you? 3 times up here? What do you mean, calm down? I'm not going to calm down. Don't tell me to calm down. Joe, if you know what is good for you, better come back now and take this your nonsense girlfriend out of our house. What do you mean, which of your girlfriend? Esa, Nsala, anyone, Esther, come and take her out of this house. That you do what? That you do what? You love her. Joe, listen to me. We are not talking about love here. I am saying you should come and take this girl out of this house. That she do what? She come and carry this girl out of this house. I'm even talking, she's even adjusting her bag. That she do what? I should let her stay. In which house? In our own house. In our house. Joseph, listen to you. In fact, you're mad. You're very stupid. And I know that right now, I know that you're inside bottle. But me, your sister, will not allow you to stay inside that bottle that Nsala put you. Joe, let me tell you, anywhere you are, I pray for you. Anywhere that Elsie, Esther, Nsala has put you, inside a Coca-Cola bottle, or any bottle at all, or picnic bottle, anywhere they have put you, I pray that today, that you come out of that bottle alive in Jesus' name. Yes, Joe, you're very stupid. Yes, you're mad. That bottle, you must come out of it. If I don't even have your time right now, let me finish up with this nonsense girl. I will come back for you, and you will come back to this house and meet me. I don't have your time. I will come for you later. Hey, sir. Nsala, or you leave this house. Leave this house, Mama. You want to see madness? Joe is not around. The sister is around. Will you do me? Leave.
I don't like the way you spoke to Joe.
You don't like Joe? You don't like the way I spoke to Joe? Is Joe your brother? Is Joe your brother? It's obvious that Joe is inside bottle. And you're the one that put him inside bottle. But you see today, Joe will come out of that bottle. And you will leave this house. This house will not contain us at all.
But Joe already asked me to stay.
Joe already asked you. See, you see this your face? I don't want to disfigure it. Because if I give you one blow, 7 apple, you see this your mouth, it will turn to blue. Leave this house in peace. Esa! Esa!
But he said I should stay.
He said you should stay, and I said you will not stay. Esa, leave this.
What are you doing?
What I'm doing is that you have to leave this house. What I'm doing is that you have to. Esa! Esa!
Hold you back to this place. Do you want to kill me?
He's not like that.
Says who? No, tell me, says who? Well, if you must know, the scars of what your father did to me is still fresh deep down in my soul. Your father is mean. He scares the living daylight out of me. I wonder why you see him as a nice person after all he did to me. Your father is a terrible human being.
I'm sorry, but he's still my father.